Hello everyone, welcome back to Repairwear. I'm happy to see you guys back. Today I'm going to do a video on an unboxing with my products from my, most of my Clinique products. I have some Estée Lauder products as well that come in the box, and I thought I'd just show you guys what I have, and I'll tell you about the products and why I like them and why I repurchased them and that kind of thing. So here's the box that I got in the mail. Just got it yesterday, and it's not a very big box, but a lot of great stuff in it, and have a lot to actually share with you guys. So first thing I'll do is some of the things that we have our new packaging, which is kind of cool. So I have a famous Deep Comfort body butter that I got in my last box, and this is the new box. This is the new packaging. So if you see the exact same product, it's the exact same thing. So nice. It's basically mango butter, well, shea butter especially, but shea butter is a really rich hydrating kind of lubricant, kind of moisturizing thing that sinks into the skin at room temperature. So your skin, it melts into your skin immediately, and it's really, really soft. So very, very cool product for that. I always like to have a really good hairspray that's not too heavy and too sticky and that kind of thing like that. It's for when I'm wearing my hair pulled back when I'm at work. So I love this. This is a hairspray from Clinique. It's been around for many, many years, and I've been through many bottles of this, and it basically is just it's a non-aerosol. There's no scent to it, so you don't have any weird smell in your hair, and then when you get down, you take your hair down or whatever else, you can brush it out really easy, and there's no tackiness. No, it doesn't stick to your hair really well, it's really bad. So this is a really nice one, and I got two of these because, again, holy grail. I use these for weddings, proms, things like that when I'm doing things on site. But if I'm at the store, I don't do that, but I definitely use this at home myself. Let's see here. What do we have here? This is Laser Focus, or Repairwear Laser Focus. This is a serum. This is a really nice serum. It's meant for lines and wrinkles and to kind of work on those issues. And so what they have basically is science to kind of, if you were to use this product for 3 months, it would give you the benefits, the exact benefits, or approximate benefits, I guess, in 3 months of time by using this product. You have that same kind of result with a laser servicing kind of a procedure. So really, really nice. It comes out very thin and liquidy. It's appropriate for for everyone actually, and for the eye area especially. You can put it right on the eyelids, upper and lower. I didn't get much out there, but that's, you can see how that's all in there. So that's a really nice one to just put on the eye area. If you just want to do one small area, you could do small sections, just do kind of like areas where you have like the nasolabial lines or the little Levin lines, things like that. But when I wear mine, I just kind of pop it on and throw it all over my face so I can get benefit on my skin. So that's really good. I love a certain mascara. It's called High Impact Extreme Volume, and I have, let's see here, got 3 of them. This is my High Impact mascara, and I bought 3 because they're incredible. This basically is a very big thick and fat, so I meant to say. Anyway, the brush is just it's a plastic brush like a little Sorrel cactus. It has it's like 3 sides that have it's hard to see on camera like that, but different sides have longer bristles and then short ones in between, and then there's little bristles at the end, so you can definitely get through. You can separate if you have any like weird little hairs that are kind of getting wonky, but it works so well. And because polymers are there, basically they're they won't smudge and slide off. So you put it on your face or put it on your eyes, and then hours go by and it's still looking good. Let it remove it, take something with a little bit of oil in it, take it off. That works really, really well. So that's that. Let's see here. I bought for my husband. He has kind of puffy eyes, and he has some issues as far as like just like heart issues. He has heart disease in his family. So anyway, he has puffy eyes sometimes. That's probably some of the fluid and like that. So I got him the AntiAge eye cream for men, and this is basically the women's line. I should go back to the women's line. We have tons of choices for women of all different kinds, but we find that men don't really want to buy 2 different eye creams and layer them. If they get on it all, we're lucky about that. So this is actually an anti-aging cream that you could actually steal from your husband if you wanted to, because it has a lot of the cool things that are in each of the ingredients basically that are in our eye creams for women. So a great way to go with that. And if you ever are interested, you can read the back of the box and read all the ingredients. I get really bored with just kind of look at the simple things they say. I want to know what's actually happening and what products are in there. And like here you have the whole side, here's ingredients. This is all ingredients here, and very, very cool stuff. And whenever I wonder what things are, I go and I just go to my computer, Google, and just check out all of the cool stuff and learn a lot. And then I feel really more confident about what I'm selling. So that's what I do. I have a couple Estée Lauder products in here. One of these is a Doublewear Infinite Waterproof Eyeliner in Espresso. So I just like having I wear a lot of brown liners as I have on right now, and was able to get my high impact in chocolate, so I it from a Clinique. So this is actually the Lauder one. This little guy twists up on my pencil, and then the end you have a tiny little blending smudge or thing like that, as you can see. And then you pull it out, there's a little tiny sharpener. So if anyone could actually see that little guy, you can actually sharpen your pencil. I never want my pencil that small. I just want to do a little bit of thicker lines, so that's how I do mine. So that's that. Let's see here. What else do I have? I have 2 lip liners. Looks like, oh no, I have, no, here's another eyeliner. So pretty easy eyeliner. This is one that's a Clinique one, and this is a really nice kind of an ink type thing. It's like a marker basically. So a really skinny little tip like that, and it goes really easily. What I will tell you is that it's all little fibers. They're all kind of pressed together into the center, and you don't want the fibers to get all splayed and weird because then you mess up your eyeliner. So you want to go one direction or the other. So if I do my eyes, I'll go across this way, and then I'll go like this, and I'll go across this way. And I'll make sure that I have it all lined up. Or if you're feeling like you're a little nervous and you just want to like close your eye and just kind of like lay it down and just lay the actual wand part of it right on the lash line. Just press. You can actually kind of like almost stamp it across the eye, and it will. You don't have to worry about the little, about damaging the shape of the bristles. But if you go back and forth like this, it will always be a bad deal. Any kind of brand that has those automatic liner ones, you want to keep it nice and smooth so your liner goes on beautifully. So that's that. Very cool right there. I finally just bought a soft blonde or soft brown eye pencil, and if you've seen people who are doing things like microblading, I'm not going to do that. I have plenty of eyebrows, but there's times where I want to fill in a little bit more, like right in the center here and the ends of my brows. So this is a really super skinny one, and it's a drier, hard kind of pencil. So what I like it for is for actually drawing on individual hairs individually. That makes sense. And so you have really good precision, and instead of a pencil that's kind of waxed, I have some pencils that have wax that are meant to hold the hairs in place once you've brushed them out and all that. But this one actually fill in little gaps. You can actually make someone who's been through chemo, for instance, and they just don't know how to do their eyebrows. I can sketch on with this little pencil, or use 2 of them to different colors depending on their hair color, and make them look like they look healthy and happy again. And it makes them very happy. So that's just a cool thing to know, that you can actually help people feel much better by teaching them little tricks while they're going through that process. And then I have a quick liner for Intense Cosmo. Intense Cosmo is actually a color that's in our one of our gift sets we have for our Nordstrom purchase coming up on the 2nd. So this is Intense Cosmo, really pretty berry color, and I wear this one with Love Pop. So I will show this actually in my next video, so you can see actually what is actually in the gift and what the step-ups are and things like that. So let's see, one more thing. Oh no, 2 more things actually. I did have some more room on my cart to buy some more things, so picked up my Muse my fragrance from Estée Lauder. This is a really pretty kind of a combination of 2 different elements, as far as woodsiness, and then also kind of fresh florals and things like that. It's a very cool dual accord, that's what they call it, and it's just a pretty bottle. It smells amazing. I have several versions of this one. This is the original. This is the first version of it. And then just really pretty, start off with that. And then I have 2 other versions of it that have the same juice, but they have updated versions of it with that same juice. So you have some different scents. Like I have my Muse Le Rouge. That's my favorite one actually. That's the one with kind of the red on it. So that's just a beautiful fragrance. And then I got another foundation actually. It's Even Better Foundation is my favorite foundation that I wear. I do have a lot of versions of these things, and I have them for different reasons. This is my go-to. It's my favorite one, and I've worn it for so long. This is an Alabaster. Just to kind of give you an idea, as far as foundations, on our testing unit we have things lined up kind of in order. So we have our Even Better Glow first, and this is a little bit lighter and thinner and sheer. It has a lot of more sunscreen than the other one does, as far as the mineral sunscreen, but still it's a little thinner formula. So if you go from here from lightest, you go across to, this one will be like kind of more in the middle as far as a moderate coverage. But full coverage you can go to Beyond Perfecting, and this one's going to be full coverage. So like one across the way like that is how we have it there. So that way you can really pick the version that you want. And there's a couple other ones that are plugged in between. So you can definitely see a whole range of foundations and really pick the perfect product line for you. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and I will post another video here in a little bit with my gift purchased event for Nordstrom. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you soon.